Hello my happy gigglers, today I'm drawing Dad walking like a zombie. While waiting for the drawing to finish, I'll tell you a funny story. But before the story begins, can you press the like button with a big smile, so Bluey and Bingo can laugh even louder? The sun is shining bright, the day feels full of fun. Bluey runs around the yard, Bingo chases a butterfly. Dad steps outside slowly, his arms stretch out and his eyes look silly. Grr. I'm Zombie Dad, he says, making his voice sound spooky. Bluey gasps and giggles, a zombie in our yard. Bingo jumps behind the tree, but she peeks with a cheeky grin. Don't eat my snacks, she says, zombies only eat hugs, Dad replies. Can you stretch your arms like Dad, and walk like a funny zombie too? Dad walks with slow steps, his feet drag through the grass. Bluey laughs so hard she rolls, Bingo joins her giggling. You can't escape me, Dad says, I need a hug to survive. Bluey squeals and runs fast, catch us if you can, she shouts. They dash across the yard, the wind tickles their fur. Left or right? Bluey whispers, hide behind the swing, Bingo says. Dad turns around slowly, where did my little snacks go? His voice sounds playful and silly. Can you tiptoe quietly, like you're hiding from Zombie Dad? Suddenly, Dad spots them hiding. I found my hug snack, he shouts. Bluey screams with laughter, Bingo trips into the grass. Dad crawls closer pretending to growl, his arms move like noodles. Gotcha, he says with a big grin, wrapping them in a giant bear hug. Grandma comes outside smiling. What's all this noise about? She asks. It's Zombie Dad, says Bluey, he's chasing us for hugs. Grandma laughs softly, then I'd better watch out. Dad growls again and turns toward Grandma. Zombies love Grandma hugs too, he says. Grandma waves her hands and laughs. You'll have to catch me first, she says. She starts running across the yard, her hat almost flies away. Get her, Bluey. Bingo shouts, zombies team up. Dad says. Can you stomp your feet like a zombie? 1, 2, 3, they all chase Grandma together, the laughter fills the air. Bluey jumps and tags her, Bingo claps her hands. You're caught. Dad says, now everyone gets a hug. Grandma hugs them all tight. What a silly bunch of zombies, she says. As they sit on the grass, the sky turns orange and soft. Bluey leans on Dad's arm, Bingo yawns sweetly. That was the best zombie day, Bluey whispers. Next time we can be robot family, says Bingo. Dad smiles and nods, deal, but robots give double hugs. The crickets start to sing, the family rests under the glowing sky. Good night my little zombies, Grandma says, sleep tight and dream happy. Bluey closes her eyes and smiles, Bingo hugs Dad one last time. So whenever you play pretend, remember how fun it feels to laugh. Because every giggle you share brings love that lasts forever.